Hi students, how are you all? Might be you all are fine, right? Today I am teaching you a chapter 3rd, a trip to Bhopal. Might be you remembered students. Last year we all went for trip and we enjoyed a lot. Same way, in this chapter, one of the school is going for picnic and teacher and sir talking to each other regarding this trip. So let's start and read carefully with me. Today Sugandha is very excited. All the children of her school are going on a trip to Bhopal with their teachers. Now here Meenakshi is the teacher and Mr. Rakesh is sir. They both are talking about the number of buses needed. Miss Meenakshi, we will need 4 buses. Rakesh sir says, I think we need at least 5. Miss Meenakshi says, each bus has a 50 seats. How many seats? 50 seats. And Mr. Rakesh says, let us see how many children are going. Now you remember all the information. Require 4 buses and each bus has a 50 seats. Next. Read the question carefully. Classes and number of children are given. 1 to 5th is class given and number of children are given as per the classes. In a red color, I provide you answer. So you can also cross check it. Do the total. First question. So there are a total of dash children going. Do the calculation. Add this all the classes of number of children. You will get the answer 210. Second question. If they get 4 buses, how many children will get seats? Remember the information. Each bus has a 50 seats, right? And here they are giving the 4 buses. Means you have to do the multiplication. 50 multiplied by 4 is equal to 200 children will get the seats. Third question. Will there be any children left without seats? Here you can see clearly total children are 210. And how many children will get the seats? 200 children. So yes, 10 children will left without the seats. From the total you have to minus 200, you will get the answer. Do this practice in the notebook as an example and complete it. Here you can see some arguments are going on. जब बस आती है ट्रिप में जाने के लिए तो हम भी करते हैं ना, वाह मस्त बस है, मुझे दिख रही है, कोई बोलेगा नहीं बहुत छोटी बस है, इससे भी बड़ी बस चाहिए. Means here you have to enjoy with these arguments. You can read your own and solve the sums with fun. And yes, always keep smiling face whenever you solve the sums without any worries. Just clear your concept and read 2 to 3 times. You can easily solve the sums. Just read one question is there. I kept as an arrow. Each mini bus can take 35 students. Mini bus is given. How many mini buses are needed? So here we have to do division method. You know the total number of children 210. You have to divide by 35. Write down the 35 table. You will get the answer 6 buses we needed. This question also you can write down in your notebook and complete it. And show the revision in a rough work. Next. In this assignment work 1, I give you same one more question which you have to solve in your notebook. So start and complete it. Here I give you some practice sums with hint. You can solve this in your notebook. In next video, we will learn another sums of these chapters. Till that, you complete your assignment work and do practice for these sums. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Take care. God bless you. Bye bye.